Hello, good day students and welcome back after this festive weekend. I hope you have enjoyed. Students, we are proud to live in India as India is a hub of festivals and many languages also. Well, dear students, sequence of festivals are in queue in these coming months. Being Indians, we'll enjoy these festivals and also learn our tradition and our culture. Well, dear students, while enjoying these festivals, please do take care and take proper COVID precautions. Like, I know you know it, but yet, washing hands, then wearing face masks, maintaining social distance and avoid going out if it is not necessary. Well, dear students, let us balance between enjoyment and our studies. Let us focus on our studies also. All your subject teachers are sending you various lessons every day. Dear children, please listen to the teachings that are coming to you through your WhatsApp group of your class. Listen to it carefully at least 2 or 3 times and then do the given assignments. So students, let's begin our today's activity. Our today's studies are based on the language skills. Some of the language skills are reading, listening and writing. Today we will stress on reading, listening and writing. Alright. In the past few days I had given you one story through YouTube which was based on Panchatantra. I know you like stories, so today we'll do an activity based on it. Alright, dear students, for this, first you open the link of the YouTube, read and listen to this story carefully. Now, open your Google form that I have sent along with this YouTube story. And I have given some difficult words from this story in that Google form. Copy those words in your notebook. Write it down. Write it down correctly with correct spellings. Alright. After you have done that, close the Google form, come back to our YouTube. Now open the story on your YouTube again. Now keep your phone upside down, listen to the audio of the story and while you are listening, write the story in the notebook with the help of the difficult words that are given already in your notebook that you have already written in your notebook from the Google form. Correct? Very good. Okay. After you have finished writing the whole story, check your story again, whether you have written everything correctly. Once you find that you have written everything correctly, then open your Google form and copy the story in the Google form. Well, dear students, I have made you write the story 2 times, once in your notebook, once in your Google form, so that you don't make mistake while writing in the Google form. Well, I shall just repeat quickly what you have to do today. First, open the YouTube link that is given to you. Read and listen to the story carefully. Second, open the Google form in which I have given you the difficult words. Copy these words in your notebook on a page. After you have done that, close the Google form. Number 3. Number 4, now again open your YouTube story. The same story. Now, while you have opened it, keep your phone upside down. And now listen to the audio. Listen to the words of the story and write down the story in the notebook. If you find you don't know some spellings, I have given you a group of spellings already which you have written in the notebook. Copy the words from there so that you copy the spellings correctly in your notebook. Now, the next and the final task. Now open your Google form, the same Google form, and copy that story from your notebook to the form. Copy the story from the notebook into your Google form. Write it down correctly. Put your full stops properly. Write capital letters properly. Use all your punctuation marks properly. And after that, check your story once again. After you are satisfied, you have checked properly, submit your Google form. That's all. Thank you, dear students. Enjoy your day and please be safe, stay safe at home and do not make mischief. Help your parents at home. Bye-bye.